Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix auto brightness when it's not working on your OPPO Find X9. So what I do recommend at first is to going at first into the settings on your phone over here and now scrolling down to the display and brightness. At first, make sure that it's enabled. As I can see, mine is disabled, so enable it and disable it back again. For example, to test it, increase the brightness to the maximum or lower to the minimum. Or I can see now, I can't see everything, anything on my phone now. Okay, so preferably the best way is to have it increased and enable auto brightness to make sure that it's working after the reset of the option. As you can see, mine does. If it doesn't work for you, take yourself a microfiber cloth like this one and wipe the camera over here. Your whole phone doesn't have to be clean, just the camera to make sure that auto brightness will work. Now you can test it once again by increasing your brightness to 100% and disabling and enabling this option. As you can see, mine does work. What about yours? If yours still doesn't, you have to click the volume up and power button and move the button to the restart and restart your phone. Your phone will have its sensors resetted, refreshed, and everything should be working fine after the restart. It may take a while, so don't worry. Approximately 30 seconds. Now here, pardon me, it's not this pin code. Here enter your phone and now what you will see is nice working. Here, nice working auto brightness. Go to settings, go to display and brightness, increase the volume, disable and enable. This will work for you, but if it doesn't, still doesn't, what I do recommend is going back into the settings main menu, scrolling all the way down to system and update. Here, backup and reset phone. Here, as I can see, we have reset all settings. Tap it and enter your lock screen password. Here I won't click it because mine does work, but if the other doesn't, tap reset. Every single setting in your phone will be resetted, but this should work for you. If it still doesn't, what I do recommend is going back, software update, and here now if you do have a internet and you do have pending updates, please update your phone because there may be some fakes for the display. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.